Hi, as some of you know, I've been off of TikTok for quite some time. However, recently I had a heart attack on the 2nd of February. I did promise quite a few of you that I would tell you the symptoms that I had, because it wasn't the classic heart attack that you imagine or you see on the social media or on the TV. Basically, I went 4 days without even realising I was having a heart attack. I had aching between the shoulder blades, just an ache. My arms became a little bit achy and heavy. I thought I was actually going to come down with something. And then I started sort of getting an achy jaw, but it was an ache, there was no pain. I kept on putting it off to maybe I was going to get toothache, maybe I was coming down with something. It turned out I had a heart attack. So I ended up being taken to the hospital. I had a stent fitted and I came home after a week. Last weekend I ended up having another heart attack, and I've just got out on Thursday. I've got a very dear friend coming here to look after me. I just thought I'd update you, and I will be making a return, so watch this space.